Hello guys, welcome to Macintosh Weekly, and today in this video, I'm going to show how to delete a user or group on Mac. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and now, let's begin. If you're an administrator, you can delete users that you no longer want to have access to your Mac. You can also delete groups you don't want. To delete any user or group on Mac, open System Settings, then click Users and Groups in the sidebar. You may need to scroll down. Click the Info button next to the user or group you want to delete, then click Delete User or Delete Group. Enter your administrator password and click Unlock. Choose an option for the Home folder. Save the Home folder as a disk image. This archives the user's data and saves it in the Deleted Users folder. Don't change the Home folder. This leaves the user's data in its original location. Delete the Home folder. This permanently deletes all of the user's data. If you choose to delete the Home folder, make sure you have backed up any important data from the user's account before proceeding. Click on Delete User, and you're done. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.